Hello everyone. Do you want to make your Maruti Suzuki infotainment system look brand new? If yes, here is the video where I'll show you step by step and the easiest way to personalize your wallpaper. So come on, let's look. So first, tap on settings, go to display, tap on wallpaper mode, set wallpaper, and by default you will have 15 wallpapers here. Like for example, let's set wallpaper. So tap on power button, you will find this wallpaper set. And for example, if you want to set some different one, so like this you can set. So these are all the default wallpaper settings. And let me show you how to personalize your wallpaper on the screen. So for that you require a USB with what are the photos that you want to personalize there. And I have few installed a few photos here, a maximum of 200 MB, right? So let's connect USB, give it a moment for sync, right? So tap here, click on my images, tap here, right? So sync is in progress, leave it for a few more seconds. All right, so now here we have, so these are the photos that is in the USB. So click on photo, save to device, and set the wallpaper is set here, right? Now for example, you want some other photo to set here. You can set like this, go back, maybe two. You can set like this. So who don't like their baby on the screen? Definitely everyone will be happy. So like this you can set wallpapers on the screen. And for example, if you want to delete, right, scroll down. Okay, now you find, so 1 2 3, these are the images which we have stored. Now click on delete, and you can see here the maximum you can save in a USB is 200 MB, right? So maximum somewhere around you can say some 20 to 20 photos maximum. So delete this. Likewise you can delete, and you can see the remaining 68 KB, 41 KB. So this is how you can personalize your infotainment screen and make your screen of your choice. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please do subscribe and share it to your maximum your friends, and do comment. Thank you very much.